This will help 5 crore farmers and 5 lakh workers in various sugar mills also. Farmers will get 3 credits in his accounts. First, within 1 week he will get 5,361 crore rupees, which were already declared, part of subsidies which were already declared. This week they will get the money of it. 18,000 crore rupees of export earnings will also be credited to their accounts to the extent of their dues receivables, and also 3,500 crore rupees, the subsidy which has been decided today. So this will help farmers a lot. Sugarcane farmers will get a very good and important relief. As far as northeastern states are concerned, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, the power grid is consolidating the transmission and distribution networks of all these states. With 2,100 kilometers of new transmission lines, 2,000 kilometers of new distribution lines, many substations, this will help more availability and quality of power supply in all these states. Therefore, it will be more demand for power, there will be more industries coming up, agriculture production also will get assured electricity, and IT and other sectors also can flourish. So we hope that this will be one major booster for the overall economic development of northeastern states. This is a central sector scheme and is implemented by Power Grid Corporation. And therefore, these two decisions will help people, sugarcane farmers and northeast people. So these are the two decisions. Now the remaining and very important decision is about spectrum auction and a decision taken by the Cabinet Committee on Security regarding communication. Ravi Shankar Prasad will narrate you. Thank you.
मित्र प्रकाश जावड़ेकर जी, डीजीपीआईबी और सभी पत्रकार मित्रों, दो महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय आपके सामने मुझे रखना है। एक मैं बताऊंगा और एक मैं पढ़ूंगा, वो कॉपी आप लोग को मिलेगी। आज कैबिनेट ने निर्णय किया है कि स्पेक्ट्रम का ऑक्शन करने का फैसला हुआ है। टुडे द कैबिनेट हैज रिजॉल्व्ड